Hello. This video is answer for a question from our technical support forum. Uh, when I try to move x-axis from the MDI with the x1 G1 x100, the axis doesn't move, but when I move the axis with jog software, then the axis does move. Actually, not enough information, but one possible reason is working area control. For example, if we set up in inputs outputs limits, set up software limits, and we set for x, for example, from 0 to 9 meters, but current machine position is outside of this area, for example, x-axis minus 5 millimeters, then all MDI, all motion commands will not work. G90X1, for example, doesn't work, but in log widget we can find message cannot run blocked by working area control. And in this case, you can jog into working area, and then MDI motion commands will work. So I jog inside to positive coordinates, and now G90 G1 X 100 X 120 Y 100 180 100 G0 X 70. Everything works. So please check your software limits. Maybe you have this issue. Next question is about G28 and G28.1. We require together with the G28 command axis with to go to home position or to safe position. In in configuration work offsets, we have here home position for G28 and G30, and now it's 482 652 millimeters. To assign new position, we can use command G28.1. For example, I go to some G53, G0, X, for example, 150, Y 250. And I save this position as homing position. So G28.1 X0 Y0. So this command will save current machine position 150 to 50 to home position G28. I press save. Looks like nothing happens, but if we check work offset widget, we can see that home position was updated. And then if we need to go back to this position, we just put command G28 x0 and it will go to x150 or G28 y0, it will go to y250 or both. Is G28 x0 y0 150 to 50. Next question is about homing. Before use homing, you need to set up homing macros. Button we have on screen button for homing, and actually it runs M138 macro, which should do homing for all axes. So we need to go to configuration macro list and find M138 macros. And in my case, sorry, we have a macro wizard for which can generate homing macro for every axis, for axis X, Y, Z, A, B, C, U, V, and default name for homing X is M131 for Y, 142, 143 for Z. So macros for all axes should call one by one all macros for all axes. So macros 138 just should call macros for homing X, Y, and Z, or maybe A if you need, or C, or now we have all macros are commented, so I uncomment homing for Y and X axis and press save button here and here, and now homing should work, and it started from Y axis. If I press homing sensor for Y axis, it goes to X axis.